Alright everyone, so welcome to another video, and man, I don't know how to introduce this video. I mean, for a lot of you guys, this is probably going to be the biggest break that you've ever had in trading. I'm definitely going to ruin a lot of these Forex gurus or mentors, their income or side business that they have going on, because this is something I never thought actually worked. This is something I generally don't even trust, but I actually gave it a shot and it works. It actually works. And normally people that stumble upon this kind of stuff usually keep it to themselves, and they do whatever they can to make a business out of this, kind of like a few people that I know, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. But yeah, this is going to be a big deal for you guys. I promise you it is. All right, so before showing you, this may or may not affect the prop firm space in a big way. I don't know if they're going to start restricting this style of trading anytime soon or adopt it. I don't know, but take advantage of it while you can. And no, I have to make sure that you understand this. This is not financial advice. This is strictly for educational purposes only. So if anything happens to your money or whatever the case may be, and this is not financial advice, okay? And this is not 100% foolproof. All right, so without further ado, here is the prop firm strategy to pass specific challenges. Okay, bam, that's right guys, this is an EA, and this type of trading style is what a lot of the Forex mentors have been using as a prop firm fast pass service. I have currently been testing this and it actually works. It actually works. Now, I haven't had one where I've lost a challenge yet, but I'm just saying it can happen. So just be very wary of that. Don't go crazy, start buying a bunch of challenges and start passing them and then failing them, because if you don't know how to trade, at the end of the day, the prop firms are still going to make money off of you whether you pass them or not. Okay, I'm just keeping it 100. You guys have to learn how to trade, but for those of you that do know how to trade and don't want to go through the whole process of having to pass a challenge and feeling pressure to pass it, and revenge trading and messing with your emotions. Why? Because you have to be patient until you pass your challenge, and hopefully this, I guess, EA will take that pressure off of you, because you can pass the challenge phase and you can move on to a live account. Now please do your research on all of this, read through it very carefully. I will recommend that you don't use Nova. They have been having kind of an issue paying people out for some reason. I don't know why, but it seems that the other people that I have seen test this EA on have had pretty good success with every other prop firm. I don't know if you guys already have success with these prop firms in the past or currently, but if you do, then let me know down in the comments below. Hopefully we can help each other out in this process. But yeah guys, like I said, I should be keeping this to myself and just sell a prop firm passing service, but I am for the people at the end of the day, and I want everybody to be successful in these markets. By the way, I am not affiliated with this EA or the seller. I am simply just recommending this EA. I highly suggest you do your research on what high frequency trading is before buying it. Please don't buy from any other of these sketchy EA selling sites. They don't sell them with the proper set files or the customer service that comes with the EA. He is very good at responding, at least to me he has been. So show the guy some love if you are planning on buying a high frequency trading EA. All right, cool. And with that, I also want to announce that I am officially opening the Discord to the public, so you guys can hop in, join via the link in the description below. I have a London chat, a New York chat, even a crypto chat, a few more other things happening here, right? You can explore, and I will have a VIP section opening up in the next month or two. But for now, all the signals that you would get in the VIP here, you will also get in the community trading for now, just to see how you guys like the signals, what areas I can improve in. So yeah, you guys will literally be earning for free. But if you're watching this video a few months later, it's probably already closed and you will no longer be receiving, I guess, free signals. At least not every day. I will send out a signal for free every now and then throughout the week, but if you're in the VIP, you will probably be getting a signal or two almost every day. So just wanted to clear that up. And again, there's a lot happening in here. I'm really hoping that people can also share their faith in this section, you know, talk about some biblical wisdom here. If you need prayer, any testimonies that you may have, things that God has done in your life, please do share them in here. It'll probably motivate people. But yeah, really excited to see where this takes us and where the journey will take all of us as traders, and hopefully we can grow from one another. But yeah, guys, hop in and I'll see you soon.